Roses is Connect! Wallard in the building on the premises. Bullet of a burning incorrect and encourage me, Martin.
Watch me step on a gun gun. Tell me you a killer, you a young lad. Done man. Tell us me
people not tongue gun. We step on a gun gun. Say them a hold back. You see, say them a gun back.
Info exchange that make them exchange. Why you want to win the pain? Why make I win the vote? When the Veritas a blow and get me.
Long time ago, an ancient battle has been brewing, and now both adversaries square off.
What? Man learned big words, man. Adversaries square off. Yo, how it start again?
John, I know some years they told him a war since birth. And when them did a go school, Bounty tell Beanie say war and nice something. And Beanie wet him up with a bag juice.
Nah man, never go so. It's Bounty wet up Beanie with the bag juice.
Don't stop on the foolish man. I be a idiot thing on our chat.
We'll see you now, the war about to start.
Anytime you sleep and dream say you puff my chest, pinch yourself kinda wake up.
Fool! Me puff your chest already. I follow the arrow. Auto!
Him puffing chest again.
Yep, and we not dream.
And now Beanie will get wicked.
AI! Okay, get us up. Then get ta-ta-ta. Then get ta-ta-ta. Then get ta-ta-ta. Boy, you believe it. Then get ta-ta-ta. Then get ta-ta-ta. Then get ta-ta-ta. One, you believe it.
It's an angel, alongside me, the man will tell the girl about the road, tell me the friend, the man
I'm having the time of my life, and I know this cause I will.
Rat it, Bounty live laugh, piece of Beanie laugh.
Well, me no see no passy when me beer party cloud make them hear full of clarity me clear. You just that sharp. So when the wall on appear, them drop like chandelier and be a puppies up in here. You just that sharp. So me turn up fire clear.
Look how you make the man start lose. I wanna bring down money now. Go on, one man.
I've been through the money and the blings. I've been through the wedding and the ring.
Go on, one. What me say? Yeah, man. Break free from your son.
Round 3. Fight!
Connect!
Banana. Banana.
Yo, I don't feel say the Amalek at.
Man, you kidding? Hurts like a mouth.
A joke you make, man.
And Beanie punches Bounty in the head and Bounty kicks Beanie in the stomach. Oh, what a nasty one. And Bounty's lips are swollen bigger. And Beanie man get hit so hard his locks start swelling.
Stop, Dan. Stop. You're the worst commentator me ever hear. Murder hear G-Swag rap about it to rotting.
Oh, word? I straight up. Yo, war is crazy. I know that everybody feel it. Worse than Bounty take the hammer and start to wheel it. And Beanie feel it. It looks like he is seeing double. And if you look closely, he's letting him start to wobble.
Alright, G-Swag. Stop.
You rap flop, better, you grab a.
Wanna be rap star? Make we finish watch war.
Yo, where them gone?
The war done? Then I will win.
Connect!
Boy, me I tell you, the endorsement them always bring peace and spoil the war.
A real thing, man. This war is to be continued.
No boy me no fear, party cloud make them hear full of clarity me clear. You just that sharp. When the warlord appear, them drop like chandelier and be a puppies up in here. You just that sharp. So me turn up fire clear. When it bust you disappear, get your ass out of here. You just that sharp. When you boy hear me and Dave Kelly should have tell you him a play me and when we are boss people we no wear me and so no play the man. Call him nines no